Hello you guys, and welcome to my channel, and welcome to the Scrap Room design team layout for you. We're playing with the double shot kit today. We've got double shot kits that are amazing. This one double shot kit is by Carta. So we're gonna go through the kit first, and then I'm gonna play and create with you, or for you. You can create along, I guess, too, if you want. Ironically, for today and tomorrow, I'm going to have sleeping baby photos for you. So these are photos of my son. I took a before and after his nap, just because his hair was crazy. And he slept so good right there on the floor. Sometimes he would do that. But I'm going to do kind of like a before and after type photo, and it's in the fall. It's actually on our wedding anniversaries when I took this. That's kind of funny. That's maybe why I dressed him up so nice for our anniversaries in a little cute little polo. So I've got him all dressed up, and love me some fall collection. And it's also 30 days of sketches this month, so you'll be seeing me play with sketches with the kits all month long as well, except for the Shots of Life kit. But anyway, so I'm going to be scrapping using this lovely sketch by... Who created this? Miss Brooklyn Ruff, or Rowe, R-O-U-G-H. In English that'd be rough, but I know sometimes names. And it's perfect for like a before and after layout, because I've got a photo on each side, and I've got fall stuff, so I can do flowers and leaves instead of the stars, which I'm super excited about. But anyway, back to what I was trying to focus on. Focus, Jackie. We've got Carta Welcome Fall Collection. So double shot kit, if you've never gotten anything from the Scrap Room, which I highly recommend you do, you can get a Flavors of the Month kit, which is where you will get 4 different mini kits of collections that are currently out. And they're always just a nice sampling of everything. And it's like the perfect amount. You don't ever feel overwhelmed in things like I do with a couple of the collections I bought full things of a few years ago, and I still have a lot of it, and I'm sick of it. These are the perfect amount. And then you can always do embellishment add-ons and pattern paper add-ons, so you get a little bit more if you want just a little bit more. But then also there's the double shot kit, which is a little bit more, but you only get 2, and it's a little different. You're still going to get embellishments and papers and cardstock, but yeah, like I said, it's a double shot, so it's just a smaller scale, different collections than what the Flavors of the Month kit, and you get 2 different collections instead of 4. That being said, let's look at what we get. So Carta Welcome Fall, we get the entire 12 by 12 sticker sheet, which is awesome. There's a lot of good stickers on here, and they have really good stickers for embellishing it and everything, so this will be great to work with. You get 3 pieces of cardstock. We get 2 natural, so it's kind of like a cream, but it's natural. So 2 pieces of basil natural and 1 piece of beeswax. This is a textured cardstock, and what a good color. It's very caramely, or honey. Hence beeswax. And then we also get this is fall flannel. So it's this beautiful green on this side and this beautiful plaid on the other side. And then we get autumn wisp, which are these beautiful wisps. And this side is another, that same caramely honey color wisp. And then last but not least, autumn blooms. Speaks for itself with this gorgeous dark maroon color on the other side. I love that. So that's what you get for papers and embellishments. Pretty easy, pretty simple, but a lot to work with, and I love it. So I'm gonna go ahead and trim my photos down, pick out some cardstock, pick out some papers. I think I'm actually just gonna do it straight on the natural cardstock. And we're going to matte maybe. I don't know, I haven't decided. But we're gonna go ahead and start cutting up papers and playing with these for before and after fall little shot of my cute little bug. All right, I'll be back. Okay, guys, I have decided on what I wanted to do. So I trimmed off a 1/4 inch on 2 sides so that it's just a small frame of the beautiful, like caramely colored plaid color. And I gutted that, so we did that around the background. I've matted my photo on that beeswax cardstock. My photos, I trimmed them down to 3 by 4. That would be perfect. And then I think I just want to use the A and B side of this beautiful plaid. So we're going to do the plaid, and then we're going to do the green peeking out. And then I think we're going to do something in the background for that. I'm also going to pull in, just because it's fall photos and I love these things, I have some leaves, some wood veneer leaves that we're going to pull in to sprinkle along the sides, as well as use a ton of the sticker sheet. So I think otherwise, though, the pattern paper I'm done with. So that's the plan. So now I just want to find some, I think, stamp or something. So I'm going to go ahead, trim this paper down to do that strip in the center and kind of pick out stickers and things. And I'm going to find a stamp and see what I can do for that side. So that's my check-in. And yeah, I'll be back in a flash. All right, I decided to do some ink blending. I think then I'm going to stamp on top of it. So I don't have a green that matches this perfectly. I feel like maybe my rustic wilderness and my peeled paint, like, combined are kind of similar, like kind of make the color. So that's what I'm gonna kind of do to kind of play. And I figured if I'm ink blend or just blending some ink, it won't be as stand out that it's not the exact match. But my goal is to just blend, like 2 lungs. Just gonna create some clouds of color. And then I think I'm gonna do like a background or a texture type stamp. I just don't know which one yet. And I'm not gonna take the stick, it doesn't need to go on a block. I'm just going to, because I'm gonna kind of messy stamp it. I'm not going to, it's not gonna be perfect. This is exactly what I wanted. Okay. Maybe do. Perfect. Just a little something. Okay, I'm gonna get this glued down and start adding the stickers. All right, you guys, I really like the way this turned out. So I just sprinkled a few of the stickers and then added a few of these wood veneer leaves. I did one sticker up here with I give thanks every day for you, and then a couple of the florals right here just to tuck in those weird gaps. And then I used my Simple Stories color vibe. I used the brown in the basics to do the during and after, and then Good Nap in this green from the bold. Like, I'm telling you, I swear to God. And then I think I need some of these sequins, so I think I might just do a couple sprinkles of these really tiny ones. So I'll get my Crystal Katana out. I just want these, yeah, these like kind of rose gold little guys. And this is the Golden Gates mix from Spiegelmom Scraps. If you are looking for it, I have no idea if it's still in her shop. Unfortunately, I don't keep track of what's in her shop. Sorry. I just need 3 more. Did I get one? Yep. So thank you so much for watching. Make sure you check out the playlist down below too of everybody else who's playing with this lovely sketch today and who's doing all of the 30 days of sketches. And check out the scrap room if you want to grab a double shot kit this month. It's fantastic. Thank you very much for watching. We'll see you guys next time.